Hey, been getting a lot of questions on how you could use Coinsquare to buy DogeCoin in Canada. It's a pretty simple platform to use, but I'll make a quick video to kind of walk anybody through that's unfamiliar. Coinsquare is a great, rock-solid company you can trust your money and your trades with. I've been using them for years and really highly recommend them. A little slow to get the account set up is my only complaint, I guess, when I send people there, but other than that, it's a pretty great trading platform. It's pretty easy for somebody to navigate to find their way to buy their first Dogecoins in Canada and get started in the Dogecoin marketplace and buy Dogecoin stock. There will be here, just quickly, if there's a link below this video, and you're going to see this take you right to this page here. And then you're going to want to go here. You can do app as well, but I recommend signing up first. You can do the app later and associate them with your accounts. But let's go like this, and then you go here. And if you see, it's quick, just normal stuff, right? Email address, password. And you can see, here's my referral code. When you're asking for the Coinsquare referral code, this is what they're asking for. If you were looking for a Coinsquare referral code, here's where you can find it. Quick go through this. Now, the password you got to choose. Remember, this is going to be like a security over your wallet, online wallet. Just consider it kind of like your vault online. So you kind of want to pick a fairly secure password to do this. And once you fill all that, you're going to click Get Started. You're going to click Get Started, and it's going to send you a confirmation email. Once that all happens, you'll get back to here, and you'll go back to here. Now it's time to sign in. Quickly go into here. We sign in. And once you're set up, I have a two-stage authentication program. I run Google Authenticator on my phone. I like this type of way of doing it because it guarantees your account's always secure. Way to secure your account, secure your wallet, and all this stuff, because it only works with your authenticator. So as you can see here, you guys, I've got a $20 amount. But before we go there, let's go quickly into this. To get set up, you're going to have to go through the verification process, okay? And to do the verification process, you're going to enter your email, have to enter your name and address and all those things, and then verify your who you are. And to verify, they ask you for a driver's license or passport photo, both sides, JPEG, like photograph, to be that submitted. And then they're going to ask you for a current utility bill, like a hydro bill or a cable bill. You can't use a mobile phone bill, but that will get you verified. And verifying, when I send people there, they say it takes normally about an hour for them to get it verified. So just expect that you're not going to get verified right away. And then the next thing you're going to need to do is you're going to need to add some funds. And this is the great thing. It's fairly easy to do. You don't need any credit cards. You just do an e-transfer. Now, e-transfers take almost guaranteed to take 24 hours. So if you're expecting to buy Dogecoin instantly, this isn't your best bet. Almost all of the crypto trading platforms have a 24-hour wait before your accounts get approved, especially for doing purchasing and stuff like this. But anyways, you will have to have a little bit of patience to make this work. Pretty straightforward. This is an e-transfer thing. You'd send a message. You do all that to get to your e-transfer. It tells you how to do it, who to add as your pay to your bank account. And you'll have to approve it in your bank account, and then you send a payment. As I said, you'll get a confirmation about 24 hours later, and then you're all set. Now you've got some money in your account. Now you can kind of go back to your dashboard here, and you can see I got the $20 I transferred in just for this video. I just wanted to show you quick. And if you go over here to quick trade, it costs you a little more for the quick trade. So my advice is to go here. If we go down to here, we can go Dogecoin to Bitcoin. Now what you can do is you can trade your it's a little cheaper as far as the trading transaction fees. You can actually buy some Bitcoin with your cash and trade that for some Dogecoin. Totally up to you how you want to go about it. As I said, the quick trade here is the most expensive way to go about it. The advanced trade here, you have to buy Bitcoin first. So we're going to buy some Bitcoin. We say we add $20 Canadian. We're going to buy some Bitcoin. Now we're just going to quickly get into how you can get your first Dogecoin. Now there's a couple ways you can do it. You could just go over here and you could trade your Canadian funds, enter your amount here for Dogecoin here. Now the problem with this is quick trades always cost you more. You can go 100%. You go like this, get a quote. Now this is quick and easy. You could get it, but you are going to take a loss as far as the transaction fees. So that's not my preferred way, because most of the time we're only investing small amounts. And I mean, why would you want to give away your money for free when you can just come over here and do it easy as well? So now we're just going to go Bitcoin to Canadian up here in the corner, because that's the funds I'm transferring in. I've got $20 Canadian. It shows up over here. Right here it says enter actual amount. Now here you can see it decides how much of your money that you have in there, because you're saying that you're going to do Canadian. So you click on that 100%, and it tells you how much you're going to end up with here. And so then you can't quite see it there. Just below there it says place buy order. So it told us right away if I pay $20, 100% of what I have here, it will change it to Bitcoin. So I'm going to place order. And then it says buy. Okay, there. Just like that, we've now have bought our first Bitcoin. So from the Bitcoin point, DogeCoin is pretty simple to do. You're going to now be going into here, and then we're going to go down to DogeCoin to Bitcoin, and we know that we have that much, $19.97, and trading Bitcoin for Dogecoin. And so this is pretty simple as well. And so you do the same thing, and you can see our amount of Bitcoin we just bought, $19.97 worth. We just purchased that. It has the ratios. It tells you the price for the price that Dogecoin is in Bitcoin. And what we're going to do now is we're going to say we're going to spend 100%, and that's going to get us 286 Dogecoin today at the price that it is right now, which is just under 7 cents, I guess. And to me, that's a good deal. So I'm going to place an order right here, and just like this, we now have done. Limit order, say place. There we go. So now holdings show right here. It says we have 17 cents in Bitcoin left, because that was the amount we didn't spend. I guess we couldn't round up for the Dogecoin. And then we also have 286 Dogecoin. So that's pretty quick and pretty simple how you can buy Dogecoin. It's you can keep it in your account at Coinsquare. After we get into the higher investment quantities, you know, $5,000, $10,000, I always like to transfer that into crypto wallets, you know, that you can carry with you and remove from offline. They just seem to be more secure. I hope this helps you figure out how you can buy DogeCoin with Coinsquare.com in Canada. And if you have any questions, hit us up below. There'll be a link in the video below here to join Coinsquare. Thanks again for your time.